try focusing on what's going well. It could be big or small things, anything from hearing laughter to the sunshine, to having your health, to having your home. Happiness is a skill. It's a skill just like learning how to play the piano. Some of us are born with the skill more than others, but all of us can learn it. All of us can learn effective ways to be happier, and one of the best ways to do that is to focus on gratitude. We're so good at identifying what's going wrong in our lives. You know, what your partner should be doing, what your kids should be doing, what should be different in your life. Try focusing on what's going well. It could be big or small things, anything from hearing laughter to the sunshine, to having your health, to having your home. Focus on what you appreciate in your life. And research shows that when you do that, when you write down 3 things each day that bring you gratitude, that you appreciate, when you do that, your happiness will not only increase right then, but it'll last in the long term. Focus on your gratitude and you'll be so much happier. We've all heard the notion of fake it till you make it, and it actually is true. There was a research study that had people hold a pencil in a certain way so that it contracted the smiling muscles without them even realizing it. And the other group held a pencil in a way where they were balancing on their lip, and so they were actually contracting their frowning muscles without realizing it. And then they assessed how happy are you and how funny do you find these comics that you're reading. The people who were smiling without realizing it reported being happier and reported finding the comics to be even funnier. So sometimes laughing, smiling, even if you don't feel it, will actually activate the happiness center in your brain, and that will cause you to feel happier.